Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike High Dunks in the Game Royal colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, this is Shade TV. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. It means the world to the channel, as well as be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing store with some great shade items. So be sure to check that merch store out after this video is over. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the Nike Dunk Highs in the Game Royal colorway. A lot of University of Kentucky influence going on in this shoe. So we're going to start off with the overview on this beautiful blue colorway. Then we're going to jump into size and fit. Actually, before that, we may actually bring out the Ambush Dark Royals just to do a little comparison on the leather and color. Then after that size and fit, we are going to jump into styling. I had so much fun styling this. I love me some royal blue. I'm a September baby, so definitely love sapphire royal blue color schemes. And we're then going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. And they're actually having a little bit of some value to them. Pretty surprised. So definitely stick around to the end to hear about that. All right, let's jump into this overview. So again, this shoe coloring scheme was inspired by the original 1985 University of Kentucky colorway that was done on the Nike Dunk. So that's why we're seeing these hits of that beautiful royal blue or game royal blue color scheme splattered all over this shoe. Starting with the front of that toe box, we've got some nice, just simplistic, crisp white leather going on the top of that toe box. As we work our way up, we've got, again, matching Game Royal laces atop that just simple white nylon tongue. We've got more accents on the Nike swoosh at the top in the Game Royal colorway. All right, let's just take a quick peek at those details. All right, so moving along to the side panels, we've got underlays of that simple white leather and overlays again of that Game Royal color scheme wrapping on the swoosh around onto that heel. We've got just a nice subtle pull tab here, again in leather, but that is in that royal blue color scheme. As we wrap around to the outside of the shoe, again, we've got the same pattern going on with the underlays of that white leather. Again, Game Royal swooshes and more overlays of that just pop of blue. Moving into the insole, we've got that signature orange that really shows the University of Kentucky color scheme atop that royal blue colorway on the insole. Working our way to the bottom of the outsole, the shoe is then finished off in that Game Royal. All right, let's take a last and quick final look at all of those details. All right, so now I'm actually gonna pull out my ambush dunks just because I really like to talk about how amazing the leather quality is on the ambush dunk. So this is in the dunk high as well. And again, this is a little bit darker shade of blue, but as you can see, the leather on the ambush is way more tumbled. So you can definitely see how squishy this is and how this is actually just not as malleable. I mean, can you see that? Look how crazy that is. So definitely you can see the tumbled leather as far as the blue goes as well in the front of that toe box. It is definitely a lot easier to maneuver. So you can definitely see that this is a higher quality leather material as opposed to the Game Royal colorway. And again, it's just a deeper, darker blue, as opposed to this one that is representative of the University of Kentucky. All right, so now let's jump into sizing. So I definitely recommend stay true to size on the dunks. I got these in a 7.5, and I would say that these definitely fit true to size. I do have high, narrow feet, but definitely if you have flat-footed, wider feet, this may actually change the size and fit that works best for you. All right, let's jump into styling. So again, this is such a great fun color for the summer. So I decided to really bring some royal blue out in my wardrobe. So for the first look, I decided to wear this kind of sweater vest dress, and it's got just the perfect royal blue tone that I feel like really worked so well with the coloring scheme on this dunk high. It's got some nice white trim as well, so it had that same kind of color combination as this shoe did. And I just wanted to style it up and tie a little white blouse to give it a little something something for that waistband, if you know what I mean. So that was just a fun kind of summery look.
I swore to myself I wouldn't be honest this time. It was all just for fun, but now I'm blurring the lines. I know there's some things I'm not supposed to say to you. I know it's just 3 words, but sometimes they're so taboo. I guess you caught me with
For the second look, I decided to wear a different shade of blue just because I think these go great with all types of blue. This time I wore a terry cloth material dress, a little more tight fitted than that sweater vest. Again, that was just a nice kind of backdrop, which really made these shoes pop. And I think that a teal color scheme just really goes well with the royal blue color in this specific shoe.
me with my inhibitions down, and now you're hearing all the secrets from my dirty mouth. I'm gonna need you to come wash it out and kiss me, 'cause I don't know how to shut my dirty mouth. My dirty mouth. Can't keep from talking now, I'm just biting my tongue. I can't shake that filthy feeling of falling in love. I know there's some things.
All right, so for the last and final look, I wore the t-shirt I'm wearing now, actually this CASHAPP shirt. So again, this is a teal, but mixed with royal blue. So I really wanted to pull from the royal tones in this with some nice, just simple gray shorts. Obviously, it's a little warmer here in New York, so if you do want to switch options like gray sweatpants, I think that also would work well.
Things I'm not supposed to say to you. I know it's just 3 words, but sometimes they're so taboo. I guess you caught me with my inhibitions down, and now you're hearing all the secrets from my dirty mouth. I'm gonna need you to come wash it out and kiss me, 'cause I don't know how to shut my dirty mouth. My dirty mouth. I never do this. No, it sounds stupid. You're playing with my head.
All right, you let me know out of the 3 options, what was your favorite look of the 3, or how would you decide to style these?
Baby, pour that sweet on me. Baby, shade up. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up. like 5,000 degrees. It's almost ready, we've been craving this all week. Baby, you want it, I got it. I'm hooked on you like phonics. Gotta be honest, you're on it, and this ain't no time to be modest.
Poke that, push that, shake that, girl, take your last name, let's hyphenate that. We don't need a recipe.
Whip that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me, baby, shade it. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, whip that and that's sweet on me. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. With that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me, baby, shade it. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. With that cream, with that cream.
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. Dunks always go for such a crazy good deal of $110 for the Dunk Highs. They are currently, depending on your size, are going on the lower end of $150 to $245. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a like as well. If you have any comments or questions on this unboxing, be sure to leave those comments down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out our membership tiers and our merch store. Again, apologies that we are not having a Shade Selects this evening, just because this is technically still a holiday. We are taking a night off, but we will be back with Shade Selects next week, and we are going to be doing a pretty big giveaway. Going to be giving away some Funko Pops, some Supreme pieces, as well as some Yeezy slides. So make sure that you are following all of my social media accounts, including my Instagram accounts. I have those listed on my YouTube page, as well as make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. All right, that's it for this episode. Hope everyone has a lovely evening. We will see you on the next one.